bleach is very dangerous to inhale. And particularly, you talk about the safety of your crew. I mean, if you've got crew up there spraying, high concentrated chlorine bleach and they're breathing it in and day out, this is just it's toxic. It's a chlorine gas, it's just not good. Not good for the homeowners either. It can seep in through the vents and other ways it can get in the house. It can waft through the neighborhood and the neighbors will smell it. Some of the people that use it even put scents like citrus scents in it so you can't smell it.
Besides the safety for the roof and doing it the right way, not with high pressure, you also got to watch the safety of the workers. Be careful. Do your homework. Make sure you're hiring somebody who's got insurance not only to cover themselves but the workers. Make sure they're being safe when they're there. Make sure they're not using bleach or chemicals that are bad for the environment, bad for the workers, bad for your home. Consider us with Roof Shampoo or a Roof Shampoo dealer near you.